Happy Vlogtober day 22, and I have a doorway. Little shed update for today. We did hang the drywall on this wall, and check out how cool the arch walkway is going to be. There is going to be a piece of wood on the top that's going to be a shelf. I can put stuff up there, and it's going to be stained a natural wood color. And now I have my closet. Originally, I was going to leave this on sheetrocked that corner so I could actually hang my broom in one of the cavities. But I have this leftover insulation, and since my desk is going to be right there, I decided to go ahead and cover it up with sheetrock and stick that insulation in that wall because the rock wool is soundproof and it will help with echoes. And if I left it open, I'm afraid it's going to be very echoey, sitting right there recording. So this way, it will help absorb some of that echo for a cleaner and crisper sound. We did get the piece hung behind the door in the closet, so we just have to do that bottom piece and then this little bit, and we're done. But we're tired. It's Sunday. We're supposed to be resting, but we just really wanted to try out this kit for making the curved walkway. And then, you know, one piece led to another piece, and then we had the wall done, and we were starting on the back of it. But that is the wall I was thinking about putting wallpaper on. If I do any kind of knitting or crochet or yarn related wallpaper, it would just be on this wall. But I don't know. I'm hoping to have a desk. I have one desk that's going to go right about here, but I'm wanting to build a corner desk to kind of cover part of that, and I would like to have a bookcase or something right there. I have a whole calyx unit I could put there. I haven't really decided yet. If I don't do wallpaper there, I would like to paint that wall like a fun color, but the rest of the walls are just going to be white, so that way light can bounce off of them and make it brighter. So I want to show you what I found today. These are deer tracks, and it's walking through here. That's our house. That's why our dog is barking sometimes at night, because they walk right behind our house. And those are also a little bit of turkey, but they go that way and they go to the pond, because there's my building. It's crazy that they just walk this area. Look how pretty the sun going down. And this is the way they come. So last night we came back and we finished this wall. So the only thing left is this trim, which I'm going to try to get done today, but I have to go buy groceries. But yeah, it's so awesome.